Okay, so this is a very tactical approach to this. Before you went to this meeting, you need to prepare a form. Okay, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and then a question on that form. That question is, what was the most interesting thing that you took away from my presentation? And you put in there a pick list of 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 high points. I really like the fact that you can use a QR code associated with a form. I didn't know that HubSpot had forms. Like, I would add these little topics in there and make you choose one of them. How do I make you choose them? Let's go back to the silence. If I ask the question and nobody answers it, I can say, okay guys, you know what? Let me do something else here. Everybody pull out your cell phone. Pull out your cell phones, please. Go ahead, reach in your purses, get in your jackets, pull out your cell phones. I need you to pull up your camera on your phone and hover over that QR code. Does everybody know how to do this? You're giving them a point of reference to teach them how to use a QR code, first of all, so you're giving a little more value.